Hey, it's Klaus here with another episode of the e-commerce coffee break. Today, I want to give you something for free. I want to give you an exclusive sneak peek into my signature coaching program, Get Conversions. That is something that I have never done before, so it's a first time. And for a limited time, you get access to a number of selected lessons within my signature program. Now, let me give you an overview what Get Conversions actually is. Get Conversions is not your average online course. It's a guided coaching and mentoring program, and it is unique as it is the only Shopify store growth program that offers personalized implementation training, mentoring, and accountability. So it's not another get-rich-quick course for e-commerce beginners showing you how to dropship from China. This program has been designed for those who already have an established e-commerce store and are looking to scale. Now, until September 21st, at midnight, you get instant access, completely free, no string attached to 5 lessons within the program. Let me give an overview what you can expect. So one of the topics will be who your customer avatar is or who your perfect audience is and how to find them. Also, we will look in one lesson into how to use the conversion rate optimization principles to your benefit. We will talk about how to implement email optimization and email design for your business and also on how to use it, best practices basically. And we will also look in 2 of the lessons into data feeds and how to use them, and ad networks and examples on how to use ad networks. So in a nutshell, you get 60 minutes of content absolutely free. It's yours to dive in, but again, a sneak peek access expires on September 21st. You have to be fast to get in there. Now, once you're in there, let me give an overview. The Get Conversions program obviously is much, much larger. You will see there is a ton of different trainings and lessons in there. And the program itself is a 12-week program. It's a done with you program where I work with you, with your business, with your team to implement conversion rate optimization, funnels, email marketing, landing pages, social media, content marketing, paid advertising, you name it. So all of this is included in the training, and in the program itself, I will work with you to get you where you want to be. The goal of the Get Conversions program is to provide you with all the steps and support you need to create a highly profitable online store using all of these strategies. Now, 5 lessons are for free. First time ever that I've done this. Obviously, with that, you will get a very good feeling of what Get Conversions can give you, what you can expect if you want to become a member of Get Conversions. So don't miss out on this offer. Head over to www.klauslauter.com/sneak-peek. You'll find the link also in the comments and in the show notes. And just sign up and you get instant access to all the 5 lessons and you can get started right away. Hope that makes sense. If you have any ideas, any questions, then please let me know in the comment as always. And I catch you in the next episode of the e-commerce coffee break. Have a good one.